In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline to Wix. If you want to showcase milestones, project phases, or company history in a clear, visual way, a timeline is perfect, and Wix makes it easy using apps from the built-in marketplace. I'll walk you through the process from inside the Wix editor so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click on App Market. This is where you can browse add-ons that expand your site's features. In the search bar at the top of the app market, type Timeline. You'll see a list of third-party timeline apps designed to plug right into Wix. These are created by external developers and give you different styles and customization options. Pick one that looks promising and click it to open its details page. Here, take a moment to preview what it can do. Look through screenshots or demos to see layouts, like vertical or horizontal timelines, and how items display dates, images, and descriptions. Read the feature list to understand customization options, animations, and styling controls. If there's pricing information, check what's included in the free version versus any paid upgrades. Reviews and ratings can also help you gauge reliability and ease of use. This quick preview step helps you choose the app that fits your content and design needs before installing. Once you're confident, click Einsid to site. Wix may show a brief prompt or loading indicator as it installs the app. Give it a moment. When installation is complete, the app will automatically add a timeline element to your site. It usually appears on the page you're editing, so you can see it right away. Now, click the newly added timeline on your canvas and select Settings. This opens the app's control panel, where you can tailor it to your content. Depending on the app, you might see tabs for content, design, and layout. Use content controls to input your events, dates, titles, and descriptions, and to reorder items if needed. In design settings, you can often adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and icons to match your site's branding. Layout options might let you switch between vertical, horizontal, or compact views, and control how many items appear at once. Take a few moments to explore these options so your timeline looks consistent with the rest of your site. And that's all there is to it. You've opened the app market, searched for a timeline, previewed an app, added it to your site, and adjusted its settings. With those simple steps, your timeline is ready to inform and impress your visitors.